live-in pleasure, a dynamic hub for business, a major center of trade, agriculture, and commerce, and international destination. That's how we describe Davao City.
But there are some common things that a growing urban city in the worldwide. A rise adverse of incidents, criminalities, and casualties during calamities, and chronic attraction of terrorist activities. Because of those things happen in the city, the government of Davao creates their own Central Communication and Emergency Response Center or Central 911.
Central 911 started operate last September 2002 through the supervision and initiative of Rodrigo R. Duterte, who is the mayor during the particular year and presently as vice mayor of the city.
Unexpected situations such as road accidents, buildings on fire, wild animals roaming in the community,
Carnapping, hold-upping, kidnapping, and many more happen anywhere.
unpredicted weather that cause flash floods and landslides. Those things made us scared.
But in Davao City, we have Central 911.
Come on and see what is Davao City Central 911. Davao City Central 911 is proud to itself as the third fully integrated 911 emergency response system outside the United States of America and Canada, and it is the first in Asia.
Central 911 emergency system operates in a simple manner. Just dial 911 in their telephone or cellular phone, then that call will receive through their Central 911 call center coordinates with their 6 key units: call center, law enforcement, emergency medical services, urban search and rescue, fire auxiliary services, and canine units. Call center receives the call from the community. Law enforcement, Davao City Philippine National Police, and Task Force Davao coordinate with this system to maintain peace order in the city. Emergency medical service can do simple to more complex medical tasks and procedures with their high-tech ambulance to support their services. Urban search and rescue. The team is trained by the Armed Forces of the Philippines and Air Force to help the people in some incidents from the high area, within the land, and within the water. Fire auxiliary services. Central 911 is proud to say to have an in-house fire auxiliary volunteers being trained for some fires happen in the city. Canine unit. All the dogs are trained in Camp Crame to serve the people against terrorism.
Here are some testimonies of the people helped by the Davao City Central 911.
Very lucky enough ang mga Davaoeños, no, dahil nandito na ang
are some actual videos taken during the response of Davao City Central 911.
Here is the present accomplishment of the Central 911 for year 2012.
The Central 911 call center received a total of 48,142 calls from January 1 to June 30. For the period from January 1 to June 31 of this year, a total of 12,730 calls were responded by the police with an average of 70 runs daily. Compared last year, with 14,034 total responded calls, a decrease of 9.29% is noted.
From January 1 to June 30, 2012, a total of 6,888 runs were made by EMS unit and catered to 6,957 patients, or an average of 36 runs or 38 patients per day. An increase of 14.7% runs were made compared to the same period last year, which recorded 6,005, and an increase of 7.3% of the patients catered to us compared the same period last year with 6,480. The difference among medical calls received, the runs made, the number of patients catered is due to: first, runs made the EMS as medical backup of fire-related calls with no patients involved; second, aborted runs; and third, runs with multiple patients involved.
Of the 628 fire incident-related calls, only 16.6% or 104 calls were actually responded to by fire auxiliary services for the period of January 1 to June 30, 2012. The difference was due to aborted runs, non-response to crossfire incidents, and multiple color fire incidents.
For the period of January 1 to March 31, 2012, a total of 96 runs were made by the Urban Search and Rescue, an increase of 24.6% of the total number of runs for this period compared with the same period last year. Response time. The average response time for the period of January 1 to June 30, 2012 is 12 minutes, an increase of 2 minutes compared last year's 10 minutes has been noted.
Davao Central 911 activities, trainings conducted. Central 911 enhancement trainings. Emergency Medical Technician B Training Course. Basic Water Safety and Rescue Training. Trainings conducted per rescue. First Aid and Basic Life Support Training. John Paul II College, Kennedy Global, CSSDO Marilog, Ateneo de Davao Student Security Force, Daycare Center Marilog District, Mergrande Resort, La Rose Beach Resort, NGCP, Pearl Farm Gacos, Brokenshire Turil, ADDU Nursing Students, 50-53rd PAF, Muslim Community Bangkal, Robert Monter Staff, Philippine Navy, Marco Polo Hotel Staff, Grand Menseng Hotel Staff.
Medical First Responder Training Course. Emergency Action of Good Leadership Service or EAGLES. Barangay Balyok Rescuers. Barangay Bago Aplaya Community Responder. Basic Swift Water and Rescue Training. 84th Infantry Battalion, PNP 11th Regional Public Safety Battalion, Rancho Palos Verdes Sports Club, Condor Search and Rescue Team, Robern Corporate.
Aside from the 6 units operated by the Davao City Central 911, it has also an operations center which manages incidents or emergencies. This is called Disaster Operations Center or DOC. In times of emergency or calamity, this center taps all the responders or leaders of different agencies like the Traffic Police, Central 911, barangays, and utility companies such as the Davao Light to be aware of what to do or what to ready.
Transform siya into tawag niya, disaster operations center na siya. So, nandun may in charge operations, may in charge logistics, may sa admin, may sa different, may mga responsibilities, mga functions.
Davao City Central 911 indeed to put in a concrete and complete action of the city government strike in the commitment to minimize, if not totally suppress, all forms of criminalities and to lessen, if not totally prevent, the calamities and common emergencies within the city.